Hello, people.
Hello.
So Taylor and I are in Miami right now. We're about to work a fitness festival.
MIA 305, baby.
We're just so fit and I get to work this, but we've been eating Reese's Pieces on the way down, but no one's got to know that. So we're on our way down, gonna have ourselves a day, make some money, another day, another dollar.
Yep.
And I guess we'll just take you guys along.
Come along for the ride. Hashtag tagline.
Hashtag loser. All right. So enjoy the vlog, sit back and relax, grab some popcorn or some Reese's, whatever you're feeling, and we'll show you what we're doing.
Baby, let me show ya. The way you're dancing makes me feel. Baby, let me show ya. Anything you want is real. You make me triple, that's why the way you're looking at me.
So today ended up being a lot of fun. Whatapalooza was a great event. Brittany and I had a blast. There was a lot of hot, yummy men that we watched climbing up ropes, deadlifting, doing all these fun things, as you guys can see in the clips. But now we are at Chipotle, about to tear it up. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I am here with Erin Escobar. We're at Blend Beauty Lounge. As you can see, I'm drinking my nice coffee because it's been an early morning for both of us.
And it's cold.
And it's cold. We were both at the gym this morning, killing it, putting this Wednesday into work, but we're here, we're gonna do a makeup application. Are we doing it on your Instagram?
Uh-huh. And I think I might even go live.
Okay. So let's plug in your Instagram, Erin.
It's Esco Art. It's ESCO_ART.
So you can see the transformation. You're gonna see it right now in the video from how I look to how I'm gonna look in the next clip. And then we're gonna take some outfit pictures after, so it's gonna be a very eventful Wednesday. And come along, see what's up, and definitely check out Erin at Blend Beauty Lounge. It's in Davie, Florida, if you're in the local area. He does makeup application, cut, color, everything. He does it all, one-man show. So definitely check him out and let him know I sent you. So we'll see you in the next clip when I look a little bit better and I'm more caffeinated. Cheers.
You're moving that body, baby, come set me free. The way that I feel when I'm dancing with you. The way that I feel, baby, what can I do?
Talk about a transformation. So Erin, tell us what you did to me.
Well, I just kind of went with like neutral tones today. Some bronzy for just an everyday look.
Beachy, bronzed, babe. So this is the final look. Like I mentioned, definitely hit up Erin. He plugged in his Instagram. We also have the salon, so you can book him for your weddings, your parties, your everyday looks, whatever you need, he's got you. So we're gonna take some pictures and you can head over to my Instagram and see what the final look is there. I hope you guys enjoyed this little feature and hopefully you'll be seeing Erin in more tutorials. Hi guys, good morning. So we are here at the chili cook-off. It is very early in the morning. It's not even 8:30 yet because gates have not opened. So as you can see, not too many people are here yet. So I'm here with Anajar and Levine. They're a local attorney office, and I'm also here with Babes. And Anajar and Levine sponsors a lot of these concerts. So we are here, we had a calendar shoot, so we're gonna sign some of our calendars and enjoy some good country music, some good food, and enjoy ourselves basically. So I met Roxy here. She came up to me and recognized that I did videos, so I just wanted to include her in the vlog and have her come say hi. She's even more beautiful in person. Thank you. So if you guys ever see me out, I think it's really awesome that she came up to me. I really, really appreciate it. It makes me actually feel like I'm talking to people, not just the camera itself. So definitely if you see me out in public, come say hi, because now I met a new friend. So I figured I would finish the vlog here. Sometimes I have a hard time with signing off. I just forget. The end of the day comes and I'm tired, which is exactly how I feel right now. I'm doing a face mask. This is the Glam Glow, the original face mask. I picked up a sample of it at Sephora, and so now I'm just unwinding, watching some Bates Motel and heading to bed. But today was so much fun at Chili Cook-Off. We had a blast. A subscriber come up to me. We got backstage to see Old Dominion. We met Old Dominion at their meet and greet beforehand, and they invited us backstage, and it was just so much fun. So I'm very happy that I was able to do that and come out today for, you know, such a fun experience. It seemed like the crowd were really enjoying themselves, and so that was happy to see. And now I'm going to get to bed and wake up early and go to the gym. because it's Sunday, which is Tabata at my gym, which I think I'm gonna bring my camera because why not, you know, more footage for the vlog. You guys seem to enjoy my workout routine, so I'm gonna show you what I'm doing tomorrow. And then we are also celebrating Carly's birthday. Her actual birthday is on Monday. She's gonna be turning 25. So if you guys wanna go wish her happy birthday, her Instagram is at Carly Marshall, CarlieMarshall. We're gonna head to brunch, get some drinks, have some fun, and you're gonna see parts of it, not all of it, obviously. You guys know how that goes. But you'll see us tomorrow when we're looking better. I'm gonna rinse this off and get to bed. I will see you in the morning. Hey guys, happy Sunday. We are celebrating Carly's 25th birthday. Quarter century. I feel very 25 birthday-esque in my polka dot shirt. It's from Forever with bell sleeves. Girl, I'm telling you, bell sleeves are it for me. Like, that is my trend. I follow it as much as I can. Bell sleeves, I'm about it. So we're heading to Cafe Martier. We're gonna get some food. Definitely get some beverages. This lighting, the weather. Could be worse, could be better, but you know, let the day continue. Let the debauchery commence.
You make me trip on your swagger when you're looking at me. You're moving that body, baby, can't set me free. The way that I feel when I'm dancing with you. The way that I feel, baby, what can I do? Baby, let me show ya. The way you're dancing makes me feel.
So you know brunch was successful when you didn't even do an outro for the vlog, so that's what you're getting this morning, which is so much better than what kind of content you would have gotten yesterday if I tried to end the vlog there. So it actually probably would have been funny, yeah, but no. No. Rare forms you guys do not need to see. What? These Tweedledee and Tweedledum over here making comments in the background, but I'm making Carly some 3-ingredient pancakes. It is oats, banana, and then I put cinnamon in it. So we got those going. We got her some birthday balloons. She has her present down here. So I will show you the big reveal once the food is cooked. And
3 years later.
Yeah, 3 years later. These pancakes are honestly taking forever to cook. Today is Carly's actual birthday, so happy birthday to her. 25, the big 25. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carly. Happy birthday to